Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your auto brightness is not working on your LG G6. The first thing you want to check is if you have the auto brightness turned on in the first place. You can do so in two places, right here in the quick settings, if auto is turned on, or in settings, display, and then here under brightness. If it is turned on, you may want to, for example, turn it off and then back on again to try and reset it. But if it still doesn't work, that means that the first thing you could try is, of course, cleaning around your phone's ambient light sensor, which you can do by taking a microfiber cloth and then just cleaning around here, as it should be in the top bar, most likely around the front camera. Another thing you could do is simply in settings. I think in general, go into about phone, because this phone does have a way to perform a smart doctor, and then test hardware. In here you can check the light sensor, do a test. If it says it's good, then everything is fine, but if it says there's some sort of an error, you might have to take your phone to a service center. You can of course test all of them to make sure everything is working fine. But even if there is some sort of an error and it still doesn't work, you can try simply resetting your phone by pressing and holding the power button, then choosing the power off and restart option, then tapping on restart to again restart your phone. You could also boot into safe mode in order to just, well, rule out any third-party app interfering with your brightness settings. Press and hold the power button and then tap and hold the power off option until the safe mode prompt shows up. Then say turn on, and well, now we're gonna have to wait for it to reboot. Now that you are in safe mode, you can of course try testing auto brightness. Just try it out, all the previous things I said about. But if it still doesn't work, then, well, you might have to take it to a service center. Well, before that, you can also try going into settings there, into general, scrolling down to about phone, then update center, in here software update, and then check now for update. Although it's highly unlikely that you'll find any updates, since the support for this phone has been stopped quite a while ago, with the last update having been rolled out in 2020. But after all of this, you can now exit safe mode. Well, if safe mode does fix the issue, that means one of your apps is causing the problem, so you'll have to go through the apps you have installed and just try turning them off or removing them completely one by one to check which one is causing the issue. But after all of this, you can just exit safe mode by pressing and holding the power button and then choosing the power off and restart option to just restart your phone, which will turn your phone back into the normal operating mode. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.